Hey guys, and welcome to today's Fab in 5. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Macstack Mascara. This is the viral mascara that everybody seems to be talking about. So this is a continuously buildable, clump resistant mascara that infinitely stacks on volume length with a larger and smaller brush for upper and lower lashes. Give you customizable volume, immediate lash lift, and length. The Super Stack Mega Brush delivers volume to longer or upper lashes, while the Super Stack Micro Brush delivers precise application to shorter or lower lashes. So I got the Mega Brush as I have decently long, they're not super long, but they're decent, they're normal lashes. And I also did get the mini. So they do offer a mega mini size and then the full size of the Mega Brush, which is the thicker, fuller brush that's going to deliver more volume. They also offer a Micro Brush, which is supposed to be smaller for more precise if you have really small lashes and you find the big brushes are too big for your lashes. They do have the option of a smaller brush, and also that would be good for the lower lash line. So this is what the actual packaging looks like. I love that they have the different options of a mini and of the two different brushes. That's very unique. I like the look of the packaging, and I do like the look of the Mega Brush. It's quite large, but it's not like too thick and intense. It looks like it has really nice bristles. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and then we will see what this baby can actually do. So when I took a look at the advertising photo, and I was like, why would anybody want this? I don't know. I'm gonna post the picture up here. Does it not look like the clumpiest mascara you've ever seen in your whole entire life? I'm like, why would they post that? Nobody's gonna buy it. Well, then I'm on TikTok and I'm seeing so many people reviewing it, and everybody said they loved it. So I'm like, clearly it's this supposed to be this really beautiful product, but I think poor choice on the photo. It's very MAC can be very edgy sometimes when it comes to marketing and their photos and their looks. So I think that that's what happened there, but I'm like, didn't reel me in, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and see. For being a bigger brush, it definitely is, it didn't make a mess of my eyelids, which I'm notoriously bad for. I always end up hitting my eyelid because I backstroke the lashes. Okay, so that is one layer. So far, definitely a lot better than I would have expected from looking at that photo, so that's good. Okay, so upon first impression, I'm pretty impressed. It's definitely looking not clumpy like I would have expected, as I said, from that photo. It's also not looking super thick and heavy, but it is very volumizing, and the length is pretty good so far. And that's just one layer. So let's go ahead and see what 2 layers does. So the idea, the biggest point of this mascara is supposed to be that it's buildable. Now I will say this liquid eyeshadow I put on, that's why I keep doing this, because it's caught in my lashes and it dried them in a funny way. So it's not the mascara's fault, but I'm doing my best to maneuver it. Definitely a volumizing mascara, definitely. But the length is decent for being a volumizing mascara. I'm not mad about it, guys. I'm not mad about it. Notice much more volume with the second layer. So it is buildable. So I've applied quite a bit. I think that that's as far as I'm gonna go. I'm quite happy with it. It really makes the eyes pop. I do see the hype with this product, and I do really like it. The length is maybe not as great as let's say the Maybelline Sky High, because with the Maybelline Sky High I find my lashes are a little bit more long and noticeable in that sense, but this also delivers mega volume, really nice volume without making them look super thick and chunky. So I'm actually really quite impressed. I do actually recommend this, guys. I think it's worth the hype. I see why everybody's been loving it. I'll write in the description box down below if I notice any funky stuff, if it flakes or transfers or anything. But aside from that, I think that this is definitely a hit. I will be continuing to use it. So if you're looking for a volumizing mascara, I definitely think that you will enjoy this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.